Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for having me in a seventh international conference on industrial, mechanical, electrical, and chemical engineering. My name is Aidil Haryanto, and I will present our paper with the title is Identification of Design Requirement for Noodle Entangling and Cutting Machine on with Noodle Production Line. We use a KFD approach. We consist of eight author. The first author is Nafrinaldi, and the second is myself, Aidil Haryanto, Umi Hanifah, Mirwan Ardian Sakarin, Satya Andika Putra, Eko Puncoro Pramono, Agustanis Taurus, and Nur Katika Yasti. We are from Research Center for Appropriate Technology, Indonesian Institute of Science. So let's get started. The best technology for making non-wet noodle is the extrusion process. Non-wet noodle is a non-gluten, so the characteristic of non-wet noodle are not compact and crack easily. The function of extrusion process is pressing, kneading, and homogenizing non-wet dough. We can see this schematic diagram. This is for non-wet noodle production line. Before this, we have the other process, and after this, we have the other process. But in this schematic diagram, we give the same simply schematic diagram to explain the untangling and cutting process. The production process using an extruder based on customer information, we get the bottleneck in untangling and cutting process because this is still manual. You can see this picture. This is the manual process of untangling, and this picture the manual process of cutting. Non-wet noodle strands generally have the characteristic of sticking to each other, so an untangling process is needed. So far, the process of untangling and cutting extrude non-wet noodle still require additional labor and additional time for the production process. Therefore, it is necessary to design a machine to overcome this problem, and the information from the customer need to be considered. So we use a KFD approach to design machine of noodle untangling and cutting. The objective of our paper is an identification of design requirement of the noodle untangling and cutting machine by using the planning phase of the KFD or quality function deployment, and we call the HOQ, host of quality based on customer requirement. This is the system of KFD. KFD is methodology that have translate customer requirement into design requirement. This method has the advantage of saving cost and development time. You can see, but now in our paper we just in one page, yes, first page this, or we call host of quality. The page that will provide input to the next design page. This is the detail of HOQ metric diagram, and we can see the HOQ is used to provide the relationship between customer requirement and engineering characteristic, so that the design machine is in accordance with the user need. You can see in the room 1, we get customer requirement from user information group, interview, FGD, or questionnaire. And then In the room 2, engineering characteristic, we get the engineering characteristic from researcher or expert in their respective field. In the improvement direction, uh, we highest is better or lower is better. Can get give symbol like this, indicate that the higher value of engineering characteristic is better, and the symbol like this is indicate that lower value is better. In the room 3, is a correlation metric. We know in advance the relationship between engineering characteristic is very good in considering each engineering characteristic during the design process. And we give symbol in the correlation matrix like this: plus plus for very strong positive correlation, plus for strong positive correlation, double minus very strong negative correlation, minus strong negative correlation, and none is no direct correlation. In the room 4, the process of determining the relationship between the customer requirement and engineering characteristic was done through discussion with the engineer and expert. We the relationship we we give symbol for 9 is strong, 3 for medium, 1 for weak, or none is nothing relationship. In the room 5, engineering characteristic with the highest rating are given special consideration because the engineering characteristic have the greatest influence on customer satisfaction. This is the KFD in product design of noodle untangling and cutting machine, and the step we gathering information from customer, and the next we make engineering characteristic requirement from expert, and the last we make house of quality design. This is the graphic of characteristic requirement data collection we get from 34 respondent, and we use the questionnaire, uh, and then the questionnaire we validation using person product moment correlation coefficient, and then we reliability test using Cronbach coefficient alpha method. The questionnaire we we use the Likert scale with rank of 1 until 5. 1 for very not important and 5 very important. And we get this information from customer about noodle and noodle untangling and cutting machine like this, and the highest is a food grade material. You can see this. Uh, this is the most important factor in designing food processing machinery. We get some data above the black line or above 4.5, which is the most important here customer requirement, and also as information to identify engineering characteristic. This is the classification of engineering according to if or improvement direction. We get higher is better is 3 engineering characteristic, and then lower is better we get this production time lower is better, metal contamination lower is better, like that up until assembly time is lower is better, and engineering characteristic is non improvement direction like this. like this: weight of product, moisture content, speed, safety factor, and material strength. This is a HOP metric, the result of we get information from customer and we get identification for expert or researcher like this. Uh, for CRS, we divide become to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimension of quality. We use the Garfin method, and then we have correlation metric like this, double minus for capacity and production time, and we can see this. We have highest rank is for engineering characteristic like this. The first dimension of machine, this is, and the second this assembly time, and the third for accuracy. The engineering characteristic become focus and critical parameter in design noodle entangling and cutting machine. This highest ranking will be the criterion in evaluating the concept design. Why the dimension of machine to be the highest ranking? Maybe from the customer desire to increase its production capacity, the capability of the noodle entangling and cutting machine to be installed in several types of noodle extruder and its portability. The simple set maybe also affect to the dimension of the machine. Ergonomic aspect maybe get effect for dimension of machine. Mm. The second, the assembly time. This is because assembly time can speed up or reduce production time. The third rank engineering characteristic is accuracy related to the machine ability to produce uniform product. In design product, all customer requirement and engineering characteristic need to be considered in order to meet customer satisfaction. The results of the HOK are used as a guide to help the team determine the selection criteria in evaluating the design. Conclusion, we have 22 parameter of choice and we have 18 technical parameter, and then that's as input in proceeding to the next phase of QFD. I think thank you.